everyone. Welcome back to our channel UGC Net and Gate Studios. Hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to be discussing about the advertisement regarding the post of guest faculty and assistant coordinator in two different universities. So it is a very good opportunity for eligible candidates. So guys, let's get into the notification. So first one is the Indian Academy of Sciences, C.V. Raman Avenue, Bengaluru. So the location is Bengaluru, guys, and the post is engagement of assistant coordinator in Indian Academy of Sciences on a contract basis. So mark the important points. It is for the post of assistant coordinator and it is on a contractual basis. So the Indian Academy of Sciences is a professional autonomous body under the aegis of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. The Academy aims at promoting the progress and upholding the cause of science in pure and applied branches. Under the Science Academy's joint education program, nationwide augmentation programs are organized to improve higher education and teaching of science in our country. The regular annual programs are the example: Summer Fellowship Research Program for students and teachers, summer schools for students, refresher courses for teachers, and lecture workshops for students as well as teachers. In addition, the Academy organizes and participates in a variety of programs with the goal of improving the state of science in our country. So guys, this Academy mainly focuses on improving the state of science in our own country. So it's a very good university, it's a very good academy, guys. The academy intends to engage an assistant coordinator on a short-term contract basis as per the details given below. So let's get into the details, guys. Here it is given period of engagement, which is initially for 1 year, and the engagement period may be extended at the discretion of the competent authority subject to functional requirement, availability of funds, and performance appraisal. So based on different factors, they may increase your engagement period. But initially it is for 1 year, guys, and the location is Indian Academy of Sciences, which is in Bengaluru. And let's get into the eligibility criteria and the experience. So essential qualifications are a postgraduate degree in science or graduate degree in engineering from a recognized university with good academic record. At least 2 years of post-qualification, supervisory and coordination experience in a government, semi-government organization, autonomous organization, statutory body in implementing science education, promotional programs, S&T based projects, programs for social development. So guys, you need to have a postgraduate degree as well as experience for this post, and you need to have familiarity with rules and regulations of Government of India pertaining to administration and finance. You need to have a very good knowledge about them. You have to be proficient in English and Hindi, and you have to have good written and oral communication skills with functional knowledge of computer usage. So these are the desirable conditions and essential qualifications. And the age limit, you should not be more than 50 years as on August of 20th 2021. And here, guys, the responsibilities are also mentioned in the brief. You are expected to assist implementation of various programs and tasks of the academy with special emphasis on implementation of SCP initiatives. And guys, you will be getting rupees 50,000 per month with no additional benefits. And here is also given how to apply. You have to submit your application forms as per the format in the annexure at the following email, which is execsec@ias.ac.in, and last date for receipt of applications is on 20th of August 2021. So the last date for this application, submitting this application, is 20th of August 2021. And guys, this is a very good opportunity for the people who have the essential qualifications as well as the experience, and the pay scale is also quite good. You'll be getting rupees 50,000 per month, and location is Bengaluru. So guys, interested candidates, you may apply. So let's get into the other notification, which is from Sri Vishwakarma Skill University, and they will be hiring guest faculty positions, and for the various subjects like electronics, mechatronics engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science engineering, electrical engineering, and so on. There are many subjects, guys. You can search for your concerned subject and you may apply. Candidates are required to apply on the following link. The link also they have clearly mentioned here. You can directly visit this link and apply. The last date for receiving online applications will be, this one is also 20th of August 2021 up to 5 p.m. guys. Note, up to 5 p.m. After that you may not be able to submit your application forms. And the schedule of interviews will be published on university website. They have also mentioned the website here, and you will be getting the notification about the interview only on their website, and no individual intimation for the interviews will be sent. So you need to check their website on a regular basis, and they will be giving notification about the interviews only on their official website, and all are required to check the university website for the same. Yeah, note, eligible candidates with industry experience or vocational teaching experience should be preferred. So guys, you may not have a teaching qualification, teaching experience, but you can apply. But desirable is they will be hiring people who have experience, but without experience also you can apply, you can try. So they have mentioned clearly the eligibility of the different branches. For mechanical, electrical, and all computer science, engineering, and food technology, you need to have BE or BTech, BS and ME, MTech, or MS or integrated MTech in relevant branch with first class or equivalent in one of the degrees. And for same for solar, thermal, solar posts, the candidates with specialization in solar, renewable energy may apply, and so on. For robotics also, for CAD also, for management, for chemistry, physics, they have clearly mentioned about all the eligibility criteria. They have provided everything bit by bit. You can take a look at this and apply accordingly. If you are eligible and you have the desirable qualification as well as the experience in your field, then you can apply. It's a very good opportunity, guys. It is on a contractual basis. I mean, this is a guest faculty position, so not a contractual basis but a guest faculty position. You can apply. There are general instructions to the candidates as well, and you can read this. The schedule of interview will be published on the university website only, and no separate correspondence shall be made. So if you are selected for the interview, it will be displayed only on their official university website. So you can check their website on a time to time basis, so that you will be aware about the notification time or the interview time or everything, and you can check your eligibility criteria, which is mentioned here on a bit to bit basis, point to point basis. So this is it about today's this 2 university posts. It's a very good opportunity, guys. Interested people, you can apply. Another important thing, our channel UGC NET and GATE Studios mainly focuses on solving questions of all the NET question papers, computer science, which were asked in the last 10 years. So if you are planning on preparing for NET or GATE, you can come to our channel and visit and watch all our videos where we are solving each and every question bit by bit and in a very clear manner, so that you can learn the concept by heart. So it will be very helpful for those who are preparing for the NET or GATE examinations. And here we have also Telegram and WhatsApp group where you can join us and ask your doubts on a personal basis, the links to which will be provided in a description box. Do check them and do join us. It will be a nice experience for you, we promise you that. So please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends so that they also can use the channel to a full advantage. Thank you.